She's the end of all. She's the destroyer.
How does it feel walking down the red carpet and seeing a mass of weirdly dressed fans at the end?
I can't believe it. It's amazing. When I was in the car on the way over, on Twitter, I got my first cosplay as Daj. Someone tagged me in their cosplay outfit, and it brought tears to my eyes. I was just like, this is what the rest of our lives are going to be like. These fans are so loyal and love that they don't even know what the show is yet, and they're already giving it so much love.
Did you have any idea of the size and scope of the fan base and the fervor that they have before you signed up?
I mean, I feel like Trekkies invented fandom, so I think you know from the outside what a big fan base it has, but you don't realize the heart that's at the middle, because every Trekkie becomes a part of a family. Like that's the big thing about this show and this universe. It's all about family and camaraderie, and that's what we've been welcomed into.
Were you a fan of Star Trek before you got involved with this?
I'd always been aware of it. I watched the latest movies, and I've seen, you know, flipping through the channel as a kid, you see Next Generation and original series, but I had never been a huge fan until I got the show, went back and started watching all of Next Generation, and I got hooked. I'm such a big fan now.
Do you have a favorite series?
Favorite series? Or well, I mean, I gotta say, Next Generation. I mean, I'm not gonna betray my captain, you know.
I heard you briefly mentioning to these guys the ring you're wearing.
Yes, I had Allison
Arcade.
Yes.
I know her personally.
Oh my God, amazing! So she runs Rock Love Jewelry, and I asked her if she could make a ring version of the necklace, because I don't wear a lot of necklaces, but I love rings. And so she literally came in the mail this morning. She's a rock star, and I'm so excited. I love it so much.
Last question: What can the fans expect from Picard?
I think what you can expect from this show is for it to be so undeniably Star Trek. No matter how much every series changes, it's always got the heart that Star Trek has always had. But now we're just tackling new issues. We are going further into issues that are affecting our world right now. It is by no means political. We're not trying to be a political show, but we are just trying to say, hey, this is the world that we live in. Now ask questions, question the world, and make it better.